Using a prying tool, pry open the tweeter. Remove the connector. You can use a flat screwdriver to help you out. Remove the cover located on the door handle. It will give you an access to one of the screws. To remove the armrest, just pull it up. Same with the window controls, just pull it up and remove the connectors. Again, if you are having a hard time removing the connector, you can use the flat screwdriver. Okay, so once you remove the door handle cover, the armrest, and the window control, then it will give you an access to the 3 screws that you need to remove. Once you remove all the screws, then you can proceed with the door panel. Start on the side where the speaker is and work your way from the bottom, then on the sides. Do not forget to disconnect if you have an existing door lights. For the variant with the built-in door lights, you can remove the light then remove the connector. But in this case, the aftermarket light is spliced in the supply line, so I will only pass it through the slot. Remove the door panel by lifting it up. It is somewhat hooked into the window frame. Lastly, remove the door handle. Use a flat screwdriver to help you unlock the clip. Before putting back the door panel, make sure that there are no clips or fasteners left on the door. If there is, then remove it and transfer it back to the door panel. I find it easier to remove the fastener by using a string. Just put the string between the fastener and the door, make 1 or 2 turns, then pull it out. Once all the fasteners are back into its place, then you are ready to reinstall the panel. Start with the door handle. Make sure it is locked properly. Make sure that the window control connectors are free from getting stuck up. Hook back in the top part of the panel and reinstall the door lights. Once everything is set, push in the door panel to clip back the fasteners. Check the bottom and the sides to make sure that there is no gap. Put back all the 3 screws. Insert the connectors for the control panel. Put back the window and door control panel. Push it until it locks and check for any gap. Install the armrest. And then the door handle cover. Lastly, install the tweeter. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching.